Bitcoin's currently up 11% right now, and what we're going to talk about is this Elliott wave that played out to perfection. So we got the 5 impulses here. One was this first impulse down. The second bounced our way up to about 30,175. The second impulse down to our third, our bounce up to our fourth. Now, the one thing that people don't understand is that what makes this an Elliott wave, and one of the most important rules you have to take into account, is the fact that the 1 impulse did not come and touch the 4 impulse. So for instance, if this would have came up here like this, and we would have actually moved our way up to 29, then this would no longer be an Elliott wave. However, since that didn't happen, we drove our way down to our 5th impulse right here, which is usually going to be the reversal level. We pushed up and created the ABC pattern that we look for, and we began to consolidate here and have a very strong TTM squeeze up at the top. Finally, pushing through that 28,800 level, which is the resistance for the potential reversal, and from here, a massive break all the way up to $34,000. This is a quintessential classic Elliott wave setup showing a reversal of trend. Are we going to continue to move up to maybe 36, 37, 38,000? And the truth is, probably. I mean, to be quite honest, looking at where we are on Bitcoin right now, the only thing to take into account is that on the 4-hour chart, we actually had the inverse setting up. We actually have now the 5 Elliott wave with no ABCD because we broke over this break of structure, and we do have a fair value gap at 30,000. So I personally don't think that we're going to come back and test this. It looks like right now, as long as Bitcoin can hold here and we don't see the snap and close under 32,000, then we should move our way up to 40 and 44,000 in the next couple of months. However, if we cannot hold over here and this is a false breakout and we can't hold over this break of structure, then we could see the potential test back down to 28,000.